Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be installing the RAM. Okay, this is the D4EC 26668G onto the 2421 RP Plus. Okay, by itself, it comes with a 4G RAM, and for this case, we will be installing two 8G. All right, regardless whether you're installing two 8G or 16G, process is still the same. Okay, when you first open up the unit, all right, you will know that it's cable tied because of shipping. All right, this box is coming in from Taiwan and it goes through a lot of transportation, so it suffers a lot of vibration. Okay, so once it reaches our stage, we can install it safely and then transport it to the end user. Okay, in our case, we wouldn't have that much vibration. That's one of the reasons. Right, to start off with, you just take a screwdriver, a cross screwdriver, unscrew the back. Okay, to prepare yourself with a small sharp scissors. All right, you have to cut the cable tie. Right, lift up the flap. Over here you will see the RAM. Okay, on the RAM itself there is a black cable tie. All you have to do is just cut it off. Be careful, do not cut on the RAM. Okay, just be very gentle and careful about it. Okay, and not to cut the slot. Remove the cable tie like so. Okay, now pull down the both latches, pop up the old RAM. Remove it and set it aside. Once that's done, we prepare the slots for both of the new RAMs, the two new 8G. Right, I'm going to open it up. Be very gentle and make sure. Okay, we have to double check and make sure that these are the RAMs that we want. Okay, so these are the RAMs that we want. Okay, once that's done, what I'll usually do is I'll pop up the RAM from the protection. Okay, okay. Once it's out, check the tips, all right, check the slot, and then just push it in. As you push it in, you will hear it click on both ends. That's fine. Okay, similarly, it's the same, right? Okay, then that's done, all right. So that's how we install two strips of RAM on a 2421 RP Plus. Okay, it's the same for most of the rack mount, except for the complicated ones will be like the 4021 or the 3621 XS Plus. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any comments, please feel free to write it for us, or else remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.